What's up, gang? Check it out, man. Fuel pump went out on a Tahoe, and I don't feel like dropping the tank, man. So you know what we do? Bam, bam. Check it out, man. I dropped this long. So I had a bunch of debris in there. A bunch of debris. And as you guys know, we got this red label right here. Bam, stop. Basically said, tell me to clean your tank, make sure it's warranty. So I did see a bunch of debris in there. So what I did, help you guys out, man. This is a good old shop vac. Make sure you clean it up. Wash it down, make sure it has no dirt on it. Stick it down there and turn it on, man. I only have like a few specks now. I had a bunch of debris in there, but it's clean now, so. Yeah, man. Another thing, they had already switched this pump. Somebody went with the cheap ass airtex pump, man. It was a part number F358M. Pumping out. So they cheaped out, man. They put the airtex in there. Instead of going with the OEM. The Delphi right here that I got this one for $80, man. Got a big deal on it. So I'm gonna pop this one in there. See how it goes, man.